welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the minimum effective dose of testosterone in a cycle to make gains. On an average, a male body makes approx 70 milligrams testosterone per week. To make gains, we should consume more than this. Let's talk about testosterone enanthate. Enanthate is a long ester which half-life approximately 7 days, but for individual, absorption rate may vary. Every ester carries some ester weight, so suppose you are taking 250 milligrams per week, which is according to me enough dose to gain muscles without lots of side effects. You get approx 180 milligrams pure testosterone. This is twice the amount of a male body naturally produce. The dose for actual TRT is 125 milligrams per week, so 250 milligrams is really a good dose.
This much testosterone is enough to make gains after achieving plateau in natural bodybuilding. During dieting, our testosterone may decrease, but those who are taking it from outside can gain benefits without any worry of lowering testosterone. How long it takes to kick in.
Testosterone enanthate takes approx 4-5 weeks to reach stable blood testosterone level. Some individual feels it earlier, as soon as 1 week, but to see visual changes, it takes time. For those who are suffering low level of testosterone may see changes rapidly than those who already have good level of testosterone. Millions of men worldwide suffer from some type of low-level androgen deficiency. In the US alone, it is estimated that more than 20 million men suffer from an androgen deficiency. Testosterone enanthate is one of the most commonly used testosterones for the treatment of low testosterone. Once injected, there will be a sharp spike in testosterone within the first 24-48 hours post-injection. From here, the hormone will continually separate and dissipate through the body.
Another benefit of taking synthetic version of testosterone is low cortisol level. Due to stress, testosterone production may suppress and cortisol level can raise, which has catabolic effects on muscles. Even just TRT level of synthetic testosterone may solve this problem. Another thing is that testosterone may increase IGF-1 level in the body, which is much greater anabolic effects. Side effects.
Testosterone may have possible side effects. The use of exogenous testosterone can have a negative effect on cholesterol, particularly in the suppression or reduction of HDL cholesterol. It also can cause gyno. Taking synthetic testosterone can suppress your natural testosterone, and because of this, testicles can shrink. Testosterone also converts into DHT, which is known for hair loss in men. Using minoxidil and a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor like finasteride can be useful. It's all dose-dependent thing. One must consume omega-3 rich diets and regular blood checkup to avoid these side effects. I have more than 10 years of experience in fitness and bodybuilding. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this.